Welcome back, everybody.
Look at the camera, not the TV.
I know, it's confusing. Today we're opening the brand new set, Pitch Black. Oh, I need to go down here.
We've got a Pitch Black, what's that?
Booster bundle.
Booster bundle, which has 6 packs in it. So Pitch Black is the brand new set.
Features old Pokemon, Mega Zeraorc, Mega Darkrai, Mega that one down the corner, and Mega something in that corner, like Drillbur or something.
So this is the Pitch Black set on Collector, which we use to track everything.
What is the rarest card? It's Zeraora, the gold.
The highest one is the Mega Darkrai EX. And there's a Mega Darkrai EX gold card as well. But there's some other good cards, Morpeko, Mega
They're not as expensive as they used to be.
Some pretty good cards in here.
They're not as expensive like as Phantasmal Flames.
Yeah, Phantasmal Flames was pretty cool.
Like the highest one is 293.
Do you want to open that one and we'll get going and see what happens? Also, by the way, the person that won the giveaway, we've posted the video. I haven't had you comment back to accept the prize or email me with your details. So if you are watching this one and you're wondering when are they going to do the giveaway, then make sure you go and watch the giveaway video where we've announced the winner and get in touch. I did reply to your comment to say you are the winner. Please email me, but we're waiting for you to email me. So yeah, drop me an email and we will make sure that binder gets sent out. Otherwise, we might have to, I don't know, maybe we'll give it a few more weeks, and if no one claims it, we'll redraw it. I'm not sure. We'll find it out.
There's another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Pitch Black set.
We said Pitch Black, didn't we? I think 'cause we've got quite a lot of Pitch Black coming. So yeah. So the next giveaway will be 1,000 subscribers. So again, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're at like 340 something. Okay,
43.
So subscribe to the channel. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will do another giveaway of the
Pitch Black.
We'll do a binder full of Pitch Black cards, basically.
Unless there's a new set, like you said, if a new set comes out.
Potentially, if there's a brand new set by then maybe. But we do have quite a lot of Pitch Black right now. So yeah, we'll get started. Do you want me to get the
yes, please.
The little nice thing if we've got it somewhere?
I've been wanting to open this for ages.
There we go.
Oh yes.
Do you want me to open the packs for you?
Yeah. I'll start off with the first one. I'll put the rubbish down there.
So no promo cards or anything in these booster bundles. It's just a single, just 6 packs. And we get straight to it. And hopefully we're going to pull some good cards.
Yes, please. And do you know what is also cool? Look at the code cards.
Oh, they're different.
Yeah, every pack you get sometimes is a different
cool.
card. Wait, please say there's a trick. If I just...
It's the back to the front card again.
Yep.
That's the trick.
Basic Energy. Centipede. Oh, so these are old Pokemon, so they're really hard to read. Shieldon. Bond.
Relicanth. Banette. Malamar. Vullaby. Oh, they're different colour cards on the code cards. You can't see. Can you see? The code cards are different colours in the packs. They're not all the same colour. You saw something good. Oh, first hit, Mega Extradil EX. Let's have a look, see where that is on the list.
It's an EX, so it'll be probably...
There'll be an EX. So there's a Mega Chandler EX, which is really high, and a Mega Zora EX.
Yeah, but they're not.
Oh, but they're stuff not full art. Okay,
yes,
Mega Chandler. Oh no, Mega Exa. We'll have to scroll down a bit further, aren't we? The big Mega Exadrill is £11.20. Mega, where are we? Cool, we're going to scroll down quite a lot for this.
Have you done the trick?
Mega Darkrai, yeah, done the tricks, don't worry.
It's there.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah.
Mega Exadrill. Nice.
Not bad.
Good, so that was the first pack, wasn't it?
Yeah, first
Very
pack.
good. Cool, second pack.
Basic Energy. Flomst. Charcadet. Goldeen, I think I see something good. Primeape.
Metric. Palafin. Annihilate. Nickit. Shuppet. Oh, that's a full art.
That is
Misty's Vitality. Misty's Vitality, where is that one? Let's have a look. That's one of the big ones. That is Misty's Vitality. That is this one right here. £43 for that card. Wow. Nice. This is a great booster bundle so far, isn't it?
I told you there's going to be good hits.
Yeah, there's another different coloured code card again?
That's Gardevoir.
Gardevoir, is that
Yeah.
one? Cool, there's another pack there.
Finison, Mankey. See what I mean? It's type null. See what I mean by...
Oh yeah, type null. Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay.
it came in Sword and Shield era.
Oh, okay.
Lampet.
What other views have we got? We've got that view. That's more. Okay.
Evil.
Let's do that. That's more of you. Okay.
Shadow Energy. Nothing. Voltage.
Voltaic energy. Interesting. Okay.
It's
There's
like
another different code card there as well. That's another. Who's that one?
It starts with K.
Kangaskhan or something?
Kangaskhan.
Is it? Okay, nice. I know my Pokemon. There's another pack next to you there.
Yep. Apparently people have been pulling on Deep Pocket Pokemon, that's what he says. People have been pulling an error pack. There's an
Right.
error pack and they got several Darkrai's.
Oh wow, okay.
No.
Primarina? No. There's another colour. Pikachu this time.
Yay!
Yellow
That's the
Pikachu.
normal one.
That's the normal one, is it? Well, they're all different. There isn't a normal one, is there?
Yeah, there is. That one, the Pikachu one.
Oh, okay.
The old one.
So we've had, what, 2 hits?
Oh, I look so far down. I look
One
like
pack
a
so
little
far.
one.
Yeah, sorry, Harvey's had to...
Sit on the floor.
We're doing TV reviews at the moment, so we have we've had to move the whole place around, so that's why Harvey's on the floor there with a different camera. Cool, this is our second to last pack, and then we've got one more pack
I've
after
not
this.
shrunk.
Electrike,
Electrike.
Trumbeak, Gwyn, Slowbro,
What, Gwen from Spider-Man?
Zong,
Oh.
Rhydon.
Oh, Crydon's a really old
Crydon.
one. Sword and Shield era.
So
no,
2 hits so far.
Paldea.
Also, comment down below if you've been opening Pitch Black. Is this called? I keep forgetting the name of it.
Yeah.
Pitch Black. If you've got some, if you've opened some, what have you got? Like, let us know which
And
which
if
cards
you
you've pulled.
wanted to, if you had a pack battle whilst we're doing the video.
Oh,
if
you
we
could
do like,
battle
yeah.
against you whilst you're going through the cards.
Yeah.
Interesting. Electrike, Slowpoke,
Slowpoke,
Clicky Peck, something.
Tropics, Marshadow,
Heatran, Tremendous Bomb, Grubbin.
Grubbin.
Ooh, that's another full art, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fomantis.
And
Should we see where that is on the list? Let's switch
Yeah.
over.
it's a full art.
It's not in the top 8. It's not in 12. Oh, where is it? There it is.
Yep. Oh, that's not a bad one.
That's a
That
good
goes
pull
with
there.
all, look, that's actually really good for a few
Do you want to
packs.
show people what we got on the first? So that's our first, what's 6 packs, wasn't it?
6 packs.
Where's the camera?
We need some
There's the
sleeves.
camera, there you go. And show people, yeah, we do need to get some sleeves, which we will have somewhere. And those are all the pulls we got
Best Wonders Misty.
from the first pack. It wasn't quite the Mega Darkrai, which would have been cool to get in the first set of packs. But
just imagine. It's a good start.
It's a very good start. We have, next video on the channel, we'll be opening up this Pitch Black, what's this, a booster box?
Booster box.
Booster box, which is
finally.
36 packs of Pitch Black. So again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned, because the next video that you will see on this channel will be us opening this booster box to see if we can finally get, I say finally, this is going to be our second thing we've opened, the
Yep.
Mega Darkrai.
I think we might.
Oh yes, to enter the competition for the next 1,000 subscribers, what do people have to do? Comment down below
Their favourite Pokemon
with
again.
your favourite Pokemon.
What happens if it's the same comment as last time?
They can comment, same comment as last time, that's fine.
Yeah, but what happens they don't comment again?
What do you mean they don't
They
comment
just
again?
leave their first
Well, they have to.
comment.
The more you comment, the more chances you get to enter, because it will just pick a random comment.
Oh, so you just keep on typing.
Yeah, you can comment on every video. That's like an extra entry on every video you leave a comment on. So comment, like, subscribe, all the things, and we will
See you in the next video. Everybody,
Bye.
bye.